916, muscle up. You tuned into another edition of my all-car channel, Muscleup Car Lifestyle. I just rode up to Alpio's out here in Cave Creek. About to take a look at some of the cool cars they got before it gets too hot, so stay tuned. It's not as crowded out here this morning because in the summertime out here in AZ, a lot of people take off because it gets so hot. So I imagine a lot of people aren't here because they are somewhere else where it's cooler this time of year. But there still looks like there's a decent turnout, so I'm gonna stroll through and see what I can get. Yeah, it's definitely a little light on the people here, but looks like there's some cool cars still. We got a Nova right here. This Nova's pretty cool. I've always liked these. This year I think this is a 64. It's got a small block in it. Very clean restoration, just old school. Cool little box Nova. A lot of cool Porsches out here. Big Porsche community out here in AZ. Road trip driven by dreams. Porsche living experience. Got a GT3 RS. A crazy spec on it. That's just pretty badass. A lot of arrow on it. Cobra. This must be all original because the way people are taking pictures of it, you can tell it's unrestored. Yeah, this is some Shelby history right here, I would assume. Looks like it came out the factory. It doesn't look like it's been restored. Haven't been able to get a backstory on it yet. I like this color, man. This color is not a yellow. It's kind of a tangerine. Beautiful interior too. A lot of carbon fiber accents.
And the humidity is.
Oh, it sounds good. A lot of people left early today. I got here around 8:30. The show started at 7, but still a lot of cool Porsches here. But it was a lot thinner than what it usually is. Usually it's so packed you can't even pull up in the front and find any parking spots. But they'll have another one next month. I'll tune in and I'll be able to bring my car out at that time. I didn't bring it today. It's having little overheating issues I got to get figured out, but I will get everything dialed in. And in the meantime, go to BigHerc916.com, pick up some merch, represent. .com to pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed. Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do, raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime.
I was a straight A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gang banging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey against all odds.